just need to work, and you'll have even more than me, I'm sure. So bro, I also started with 0 viewers, so like everyone. So my boys. Oh bro, your microphone is finally good volume without having to increase volume. Did you change anything? No, just make it louder, and that's all. That's all, bro. Glad you're doing great. Thank you, bro. Yes, bro, he's been streaming super constantly, and that's why. Yeah, and yes, and also my old videos on this channel. Not too much, give me subscribers, but from time to time it's here. So, just bro, YouTube, this is a long way. This is not a fast success anyway. So if you wanna be successful in this, you need to work a lot, bro, and consistently, yeah. So because everyone wants like fast results, bro, but it's pretty hard here. True, yeah. So that's it. Of course, sometimes there is not good days, sometimes the best days, but this is always like so. Sometimes really a lot of subscribers from one stream, sometimes a lot of viewers on the streams, sometimes not a lot, sometimes like really little amount of viewers. But I don't care, bro. I just don't care about that a lot, because this is always like so. This is always will be like so, and just I rely on my loyal audience. So because sometimes like 30 viewers, I remember, of course, except the bots, when there's 200 viewers, or sometimes, and so that's it. Like 30 viewers, I remember, probably it was real people here. But anyway, this is a lot of people who just like just came across the stream like once, and then a loyal audience, like I don't know, 10 or maybe more, a little bit more people. So I focus on them, bro, mainly. And bro, you tell me like that's a lot, like subscribers. Some guys tell me that's absolutely nothing. So, but for me that's a really good result, really. So, and his experience in making games, bro. I just I've got a lot of experience during this challenge. A lot of experience. Like when I started this challenge, I was really not so good like now. So this is definitely, bro, just you need time, and make things, learn things, and you can do even better than me, bro. I'm sure. I'm pretty sure. Maybe you'll find the better way how to learn something. Maybe you find some tools which increase your speed. Why not, bro? I'm not sure that my way is most optimized, bro. So you also can be experienced and good streamer, I'm sure, bro. Just you need to be dedicated and love what you do. Well, I can only build, bro. That's not a problem. Like you you see on this, like, you already know how to build, bro, compared to other people who, for example, even doesn't know how to build, bro. So it's easier if you start your project, you already know how to build, bro. Or maybe you'll find the team and you can propose your skill, bro. You have already some skill, because some guys think the idea is enough. So the idea is enough, but the idea isn't enough here, because idea, that's good, and but there's a lot of work you need to do. So if you find the team, you definitely can propose, can offer them your skill, bro. It's already yours. So anyway, you start, if you decided to make your own game, and you already better than other guys who even who just thinking about making first step, bro. So keep in mind that, bro. So it took you more than original deadline. Yes, bro. Yes, that's true. That's why I'm not responding and not answering about like when there will be the game release, because I don't know, guys. I don't know. I learned with you on the streams. I learned how to make. I learned OP during the streams, guys. This is all new for me. So but this is all required because I wanna make a good game. I wanna make a good game. So yeah, it's long, and I wanna also, guys, finish this project. I wanna just also finish this project as soon as possible. I also want that, but it'll be bad, guys, if I just release the game where there's a lot of bugs, which where your usability and it's behind of you always, and it's impossible to hit you. So that's it, guys. So it takes time. It takes development anyway. Takes time, guys, and this is experience, big experience. Like, you rely like, oh, takes 1 month for me, and it takes, I don't know, much more time, and probably you need to learn on my mistakes, guys. Definitely. Like, if you think you'll make a game in 1 month, you probably make it in a couple of months minimum. So keep in mind when you start develop your game. So bro, hello, bro, how are you? Hello, bro, hello, thank you, I'm good, bro. By the way, who on the short stream, guys, on the vertical one, there is a full size stream horizontally on my YouTube channel, so maybe it will be much comfortable for you to watch here. And there is other guys in the chat on that stream, bro. So welcome. The game is like different from day 30, bro. Remember? Yes, bro. Yeah, absolutely agree. Absolutely agree. And I like that. I like how it looks like. Yeah, it takes a lot of time, but it takes a lot of time because I don't have experience in what I do. Because OOP meta tables, for me, this is absolutely new things and features. So, but anyway, later, guys, next game, I'll start with this one, and it won't be a big problem. So it's supposed to be. I only can stream up to 10 minutes because I don't get much views. 10 minutes, bro, that's not enough, really. That's absolutely nothing when you start. Bro, even big streamers don't stream 10 minutes, bro. I think your problem, like a lot of your problem, like for a lot of beginners in any content making way. hobbies, ways, I don't know how to call that, things. Okay. You rely, bro, on views, and you rely on viewers. You wait for it, but bro, I even don't know how much viewers right now, for example, watch me. I don't know, and I don't, care, bro, because bro, uh, it's if I see that it's disturbing me, if I know, for example, oh, there is not zero viewers right now, and I'll be upset about that, and bro, I think really it helps me a lot. I don't know how much viewers right now, guys, and I just talking with someone. I just explain what I do, and even if there is zero viewers, I'll still talking about like there is someone, bro. So I'm not focusing on viewers. I'm not focusing on subscribers. I mean, on the amount of subscribers and amount of viewers, of course. So I just do what I do, and people just subscribe, bro. Because really it makes you upset, because oh, I know have viewers, I know have subscribers, bro. This is not the way. This is a long way, and 10 minutes, bro, it's absolutely nothing. Even big streamers not streaming like so. As a beginner, beginners usually streams like a lot of hours, bro, a lot, 6 hours, 12 hours, someone stream, and that's a lot, bro. That's really a lot. So maybe it's not for you, bro. Maybe it's not for you, because this is definitely not everyone. Not everyone can. You need to focus on that. Like this is long way. This is not 1 year, bro. This is not 2 years, probably. This is not 3 years sometimes, bro. This can be like 5 years to build audience, build community, bro. This is absolutely long way, and worth it or not, bro. This is hard question. So really, to build a good community, you need a lot of time, bro. And this is definitely not for everyone. This is absolutely like so. If you tired after 10 minutes, bro, or you just focus a lot on the numbers, on the viewers, amount of viewers, amount of subscribers, and so on. Or it's hard to you maybe talk a lot, maybe you just don't like that, maybe just you think about this, like this is easy way to earn money or to get popularity. So, but this is not, bro. This is not streaming. This is not YouTube. I think easier, bro. YouTube definitely easier in some ways, because you can edit your videos, and if you have good editing, this is my experience, by the way, because this is my 6th or 7th channel on YouTube. If you even have not, if you even, for example, can't talk with people good live and feel fluent, so this is definitely, if you have YouTube videos, you can edit your videos, and it'll be even really amazing if you can't stream. So maybe if you want something like so better, I recommend you to try YouTube videos, maybe. So YouTube videos, and there's a lot of tutorials, bro, how to edit good videos. There's a amazing program which I really love. This is DaVinci Resolve. It's free, bro. It's absolutely free. You can do a lot of stuff here, and so, bro, just try video editing. So don't be afraid of trying, bro. I tried a lot of things in my life, and I'll try more things in the future. you don't find what you really love. If you okay, maybe you find, but it's really hard for a lot of people. Like maybe 1% really find it fast, like they think they wanna do the whole their life, like. So for me, I tried modeling in Blender, try to make music, try to make YouTube videos. Now I'm develop games in Roblox. And you think this is over, bro? This is absolutely not. This is absolutely not. Later I'll go to the Steam games and I'll make my Steam games. And later, I don't know, but I don't know, bro. I don't know. Earlier I thought I'll be a director and I'll make my movies, and maybe I'll be in the cinema, bro. So there's a lot of things I tried, and now probably I find what I wanna do, but how long, bro? I don't know. Maybe 10 years, maybe 5 years, maybe the whole my life. I don't know, bro. But I have aims, future aims, like Steam game or games even. So bro, just try it. It's not so easy usually for people. At least for me, it was not so easy to find something which really hold me for so long time. How to get the chat box up, like bro? Like on the stream, this chat box on the stream, this is ship chat. This is free version, so there's a lot of things here. Bro, which PC you want for $1,000? What specs? I need a new graphics card because I have GTX 1050 and it's already pretty old, and I don't know, bro. Just start with graphics card and maybe new CPU. I don't know. When I have this money, bro, I choose one probably. But graphics cards I definitely need a lot, because editing videos in it's really hard on these graphics cards. It crashes from time to time and so on. So that's it. Super fun on the viewers. Just focus on doing the stream and all will be good. Even one viewer for 2 hours and it will still work. Of course, bro, of course. Sometimes I have after the streams, guys, you don't know about that, but sometimes I have streams. Even now I have streams where I have streams where I have -1 subscribers. Even someone unsubscribed during this time. So, but I care about that? Absolutely not, because today I have -1 subscribers, -5 subscribers. Next day I have +30. It's absolutely unpredictable. It's absolutely. But if I care about all of that, bro, I probably one day will be super happy. Next day I'll be super sad. So I just take it like it should be like so, like okay, anyway, it will be like so. Maybe people decided to unsubscribe, maybe they accidentally subscribed, so why not? This is just the people, this is their wishes. So really, sometimes you have a lot of subscribers, sometimes I have negative subscribers after the streams. So guys, yeah, of course, it's very it's of course I'm happy to see like a lot of subscribers, a lot of viewers, of course, guys, this is like so. But I'm not react like, oh, I'm super happy of that, or I'm super sad. when if you can hold your if you can hold yourself in the medium of between those two maximums, in the middle of that, so you easier to handle with your stress, and because really it's like so. So yeah, lots of channels. Yeah, bro. Hello Noel, welcome, bro. Thought you said chatbot, not ship chat. Oh yeah, thank you. Chatbot, of course, forget to run. $1,000 PC, maybe you can get RTX 56, or I don't know, bro. I don't know, bro. Maybe I just wanna take laptop. I don't know. We'll see, bro. If I get this money, I definitely choose something. For the VRAM, 16 gigs of VRAM and not so expensive, but sadly all AMD cards overpriced because they're higher competition than Nvidia. 16 gigs, yeah, that's a lot, bro. That's a lot. I have 4 only now, and sometimes it's my monitor is turned off for some reason. I don't know, in some games, and or when I make editing. So that's it. Hello Profan, hello Sneaky Frog. I need to save up to 2k for a new PC. Good job, bro, good job. Hope it happen. Hello, welcome. But I wasn't heard about that because I knew that the reason it was so funny. Oh, yeah. Every day I had negative subscriber because of giveaways I did over the years, so I lost like a lot of subscribers every day, but no, it slowed down so much I lose 0 subscriber because I stopped. Yeah, this is I also thought about that, because giveaways, this is good to get fast a lot of subscribers, but why I don't do that, for example, for my Discord channel or something like so? Because people usually not interested about your what you do. So yeah, I made lore competition for my game, for example. This is, I think, better, because it's anyway needs people should know what the game about to make that. But if I thought one day maybe I'll make just a giveaway for like invite 20 friends in Discord server or something like so, competition, invitations competition or something like so. But this is usually people who don't interested about your content, so I wanna make better small but loyal audience, instead of 10,000 people who and like 9,900 not interested about me at all. So for what? Just for numbers? I don't care about numbers, guys. This is because for me, like there's a lot of bot accounts, for example. This is just a numbers for me. This is not real people for me, so why I should be happy of that, or just to show someone like, oh, I have 10,000 subscribers? Guys, I don't care about that. I really want audience who interested, who develop their games with me, who build community with me, who share their games with me, who share their progress. We maybe solve their problems. This is more interesting than just numbers where like 5,000 dead accounts or bots. So It wasn't about me. So I have different aims about that. So, but it stopped now. Okay, bro. Okay. So, Proof, you're safe, bro. I heard the news. Russia bombarded Ukraine again. Keep safe, bro. Yeah, I'm good, bro. I'm good, bro. Thank you, bro. It's always so. They do it very, very often. So after 3 years, bro, even more. After 3 more years, I've already. This is like. This is feels like it's supposed to be, bro. This is. I don't care a lot about that. So, but thank you for caring and welcome, Nolja. Thank you, bro. So yeah, first year probably it's really scary a lot. You really care about that a lot. But guys, more than 3 years already. This is goes. So this is like the part of my life already. And I live in the basement, so all right, bro. So guys, let's go. Let's go. So I started making shop system, and let's go. Let me show what I made during weekends. We already make something. So I already make, as you see, timer and some offers for us. So best deals. We just need to update it. We just need to update it. Okay, maybe not destroy this one. After buying each offer, player can buy only once. For example, this one once, this one once, and this one once. Here is the timers. All offers will be updated every day after 24 hours, I think. So we need to make updater each day. And so I already created get current deals. So let me show guys what I made. We have best deals like so, and this is just deals, and current week deal looks like so. So depends on the day, it chooses different deals like so. Let's change that and I'll show you. So now it looks like so, as you see. Let's change to day 2, for example. It's already be like so, as you see. And it's I can write down, for example, 1 month, 1 year. 1 year, that's a lot, of course. Like 1 month, for example, and these deals will be run again and again every month. But at the same time, for example, maybe you think how it works, for example, for Christmas, for Halloween, or some other days, some other holidays. So I created a special current deal and special deals like this one. And firstly, of course, we check if there are special deals. If not, we just use default. If yes, we use this one like so. So firstly, it takes from here. So this is like for holidays only. So let's change that. So what we need to do here, let's clear deals here, self clear first. Let's go in our container and we see that shop frame, frame, items, and here is, let's go for frame in this get children do if frame is a frame. Okay, if not, then continue end. Frame destroy. Like this. So we clear firstly our container when we create our deals. Render items just probably show. Yes, it's show this. Also page weight. Yeah, let's make some things here. Page weight self let's create here as a table local page weights, and let's open that. Big equals to 3, small equals to 1. Page weights self page weight plus equals page weights deal type. Page limit equals to 9. What's that, maybe you ask? This is how much space we take for each our template. For example, as you see, this big template equals like 3 this small, and the whole this page has 9 small equals to 9 small templates. So for example, if we have 12 templates, 9 will be here, and on the next will be 3 ones. So for this one, wait, for example, if we have okay, big always will be first, definitely. Template layout order. What is template? Frame. laid out order. If let's do like so. If deal type equals to big, late layout order 1. If not, 3, like so. I didn't notice that you streamed. Hello Albert, welcome. So like this. It means if we have like different so firstly always will be these ones, always. So okay, so what we need to do now, we clear that deals. We need to make the script which updates it every day. Probably it will be application or domain. Wait, maybe domain. And we need to store if the player buy that already. So probably in domain shop we need to do something. Domain shop or in deals. Maybe domain shop. Layers. Okay, how we can separate that? Wait, where we should store that? Let's decide that. Probably in application will be this one. Yeah, I know. By special. By special. No, we don't need to allow our domain check that. This is not right in our system. Will be deals purchased like this. Player ID. Deals purchased player user ID equals deals purchased. So we need to check that player and deal ID. Maybe just deal. I think deal, not ID. Because just deal name will be enough because they are absolutely different. So, and that's it. Deal. So, we call this thing during. Wait, deals purchased player user ID equals deals purchased or empty. Yeah, this also we need, because it returns nil if not. Yeah, because we need to create the table, empty table here if we don't have that. Feels true, like so. Like this, for example, it will be deal 1 true, deal 2 true, and so on. For example, if we buy 2 ones here. So we just create a table here. Okay, this is how we check that. This is how we check that. And instead of doing that, I think, wait, why we need player service? We don't need it at all, by the way. Yeah, we don't need it at all. And player data controller. Sup bro, welcome. So we probably can yeah, we probably can place it in our domain shop for real. Yeah, let's go here. Domain shop, check. Check special. Let's make it in domain better. It will be better. We just need to check conditions, if they're true or not. Deals purchased, like this one. Okay. What kind of game you working on? That's hide and seek, but with random abilities for survivors each level. Here's a pinned message in the chat. Here's a 4-minute video about this game. If you want, you can watch. Okay, so we just need to return true or false. That's all we need here. And we just need to go here to main layer, main shop. require domain layer, domain shop. So domain shop, check special, layer deal, that's all we need. First we need to check if all right. So if player if player didn't buy this already, and return true or false. After that we need to add here. We need to add here. Okay, let's connect all of that because it's pretty hard to make like so. I need to check these things, and let's turn off the scripts. We don't need that. So let's go here, best deals, where we select our items. Let's go in inventory system, tab controller, create stop, for example. Get items, render items. Oh yeah, button activated. We have here. First, we need to just select this item. Yeah. Let's place it here. Template. Button. Function. Let's go print. Okay, that's work. Nice. Let's call UI animations, by the way. Presentation layer. Oh yeah. UI animations. Let's go to take that. Inventory system, UI animations. Let's place it here in our presentation and let's check it out. Oh wait, yeah. Let's make it like so. Local button, template button. Great. Nice. So when we select that, we need to call what? We need to call, of course, viewer for that. Well, let's create a viewer. Viewer controller, let's copy paste it here in presentation layer, and instead of create viewer, best deals. viewer, yeah. Best deals viewer. Let's change that. Let's change. Okay. Text box amount, no need. Sell more, no need. Buy more, no need. Text boxes, all need. For fun, I made a plugin for Studio. What plugin, bro? Text box, all this stuff we don't need. Init, I think we don't need, at least for now. It helps you quickly find where an object model script or variable is being referenced across your game. It can be useful in big project. Oh, cool, cool, bro. Quickly find where an object model script or variable is being referenced across your game. Cool, bro, cool. That's cool. Like references across your game. Oh, I've got it. Like when you require model script, for example, so you can find where it's placed. Good job, bro. Good job. Okay. It's pretty hard for me to work like so. Let's better delete all of that. Really. And create all of that again. Viewer controller. Your controller also. Okay, there is not a lot of things here. This is just a parent class. Yeah, that's not a problem. Now I'm trying to make some tutorials, something on developer forum. Good job, bro. Good job. That's cool. Hope it help. I think it will be helpful for a lot of people. Bro, my game will be releasing soon. Good job, bro. What this game about? What this game about? Hello again. Hello. So selected item, data, buttons. Do I create buttons? Okay, buttons. We remove that. Pop frame also probably. Yeah, let's remove that. Info controller, I think also we remove right now. Later we'll need that probably, or not. Maybe not, maybe not. I don't want to see there's info controller at all, I think. Just GUI data. Rates viewer. This is not rates viewer, this is best deals viewer. Let's do like so. Like so. uh, print. Oh yeah, we need to call that constructor, of course, somewhere. Today game I used GNOME coding, but I modified everything because it sucks. There's no optimization in the old one. Oh, okay, that's cool, bro. That's cool. Yeah, I also thought like GNOME code tutorials are good for beginners, but like all of that can we can make more optimized. But I understand why he do like so. I understand because it's pretty hard to beginners if he make it more optimized. So yeah. Create viewer. Let's go. Where we call that create viewer.new. Okay. And create stop. But still stop. So we need just create one more here. But deals viewer. Where is it? Presentation layer. Best deals viewer. Like this one. Info controller we don't need. Self GUI. Show frame. Viewer. Self inventory data. Just data. So that. Yo, bro, back. Welcome back, bro. How is scripting going? Great, bro. Great. Thank you. So we call that best deals viewer, and let's go see. Selected item nil. Print one. Let's do. No problem, Milo. Glad you're doing great. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Buttons controller. Why buttons controller is here? Best deals. Oh yes, my bad. Best deal stop, of course. Okay, great. So when we select that, let's see other viewer, for example, create viewer. What we do here? Let's see when we show. Clear, of course. Clear. What in the clear? Chances. Okay, just will be like so for now. Okay, show new item. So viewer name. New offer will be offer. Better, I think. Create config, new offer. Create config. Self GUI. Self GUI. This is our what? Viewer probably. Okay. Okay, what is crates? Let's duplicate that and call best deals. Let's change that. Best deals. So we need to remove buy more button because we can buy it only once. And maybe we increase the size of that button a little bit. Maybe even we can place it in the middle. .5 and anchor point 0.5, like so. Let's add a constraint here. Amount. Probably we don't need amount, I think, here. And we can't open here. We can't open. We need to remove buttons anyway here. Open and sell. We don't have these buttons here. Maybe maybe we... Let's do that. Let's move this button down here. Why not? Yeah, let's go. And make it bigger. Why not? Position 0.5. Like this, I think. Okay, let's add constraint here. Yeah. Okay, what if we make this on the left corner, by the way? Like here. No, looks weird, for real. Okay, so let's go to the next steps. What we need here? Chances. Wait, we definitely don't need here. Or wait, no, chances will be here. Chances will be here, definitely. So configs we need to build anyway. Let's change this one just for test. X20 zombie crate, for example. Okay, like this. Info button we also don't need here. Just only buy, we can buy that. And that's all. Abilities, don't need buy more. Don't need sell more. Title, what is canvas group? Light, rarity, speed lines, okay. Title, name. Buy, create, sell buttons. Sell buttons also we don't need. Like this one, right? Right. So it's easier to control. We have best deals. Let's go back here. Best deals. Do you play Roblox Bed Wars? No, never played that. Heard about this game, but I even don't know what's this game about. Okay, so let's remove that. I wanna see what is new offer will be here. Print new offer. How we can call that? How we can call that? We just need to call it when we press the button, probably, right? Right here. Self, your controller, and show. What is new offer? Let's go probably on the tabs we have selected items, I'm sure. Selected item, yeah, we have that. Selected item. Great sphere, survivor top. Let's do that. Selected item. Equals to wait. Print deal I wanna see. Okay, well, let's make ID for everything here. Let's go in configs, best deals, and let's create here as ID. Like so. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is ID. Deal.id. Deal ID. New offer ID, we get local item. Okay, offer. Offer self and create config by using this one. I'll be here in 2 minutes, guys. I'm back. How is so good at scripting? Thank you. I'm not good as you think, probably. And you guys also can do all of this stuff. Just need to get some experience, guys. And I'm sure you guys can be even better than me multiple times, I'm sure. So, okay. First I wanna print new offer ID. Let's just check that if it's work. Yes, good. Let's create a method which called function best deals viewer and create config, of course. To create config we need config, definitely. Configs, no. creates config. Let's take this method from I think from here just. Why I should care about that. Yeah, like this. Let's go here, create config. But we need to use it, we need to make it by using ID. Let's go for here's ID only, or let's open our config because it's pretty hard to make it without see all of that. Let's go here, inventory. Wait, oh, in crate system, of course. Survivor crates. So we have ID, right? And we need, of course, config for our best deals, of course. So let's see these two configs together and we'll see. Let's close that. We have ID, so we have access to this one. First we need to get the best deals config, of course. Local best deals. Wait, create system infrastructure configs. Okay, like this probably. Best deals config equals require infrastructure layer configs best deals. So we need to go through all these offers. So we need to go through and find for deal properties and best deals config do. If not, okay, if properties dot id not equals to id, then continue end. If equal, let's create a variable local item. Okay, offer equals to properties. So we have offer. What's offer? For example, this one. Next, we need to return. We need to go name offer name amount offer amount already common price like this. Print offer, I wanna see. No. 10 crates. Price, okay, price. Wait. We need to change the price, of course. Here. price multiply by amount. Oh no, wait. Offer, no, absolutely not. Offer new price. Yeah, like this one. So this 4,000 common survivor chances. Yeah, great. This one, great. All right. So we have access to the new item. We created new config here that we can easier to handle all of that now. And let's create the viewer item here. So we just have deal ID and what we need. Best deals viewer. Let's go here. Let's go see what we did in inventory system. Create viewer. Let's go here. Let's find the same method. Show. Name, amount, rarity, chances, container. Rarity, price, okay, chances, offer, chances, container, self-selected item equals to item. So we need to create here's, oh yeah, okay, selected item equals to item. Let's copy that. Not item, okay, offer. Rarity colors we need to call rarities config. Let's go in our best deals tab. We have here create model builder. We need to call this also. Create model builder. Oh, it's here. Yeah, we have that. Let's go here. Item offer. Maybe we don't need properties. Yeah, deal name and world model only. Self buttons. Okay, I don't have buttons here, right? Let's see what is buttons here. Self buttons. Let's take it here. Sell GUI. Best deals. Okay, great. Amount we don't need, by the way. What about name? I wanna make something with name. Let's change that. I'm done with the forum post, but I'm not really satisfied with the showcase video. Okay, bro. Okay, that's good. Can you send the link in Discord in your creations, or no, in help you channel if you're in the server? Maybe some guys wanna this plugin, bro. So name and X amount, like this one. X20 Ninja Crate. So okay. Yeah, I can. Great, thank you, bro. So let's go here. Best deals viewer, rates viewer. Best deals viewer clear. Let's go here. Let's go see that. Probably a wrong container. Let's see. The best deals viewer here. So GUI. Oh yeah, of course. So GUI best deal chances. Nice, yeah. It changed. Probably we need to create a different for different thing. For this, create model builder. Viewer, create model builder will be here. I sent him. Great, bro. Great. Thank you. So let's go. Viewer create model builder. Let's take this create model builder. Let's check it out. Okay, no. Type. If. Type. Okay. Place. Place type. If place type. Viewer. We do this one. If not. Okay. Just place type. Place in viewer. And we don't need to create a lot of things here. Let's go create here, best deals here. World model true. Like this one. Okay. Too close that. Oh no, X and Z probably. That, I think. Like so. Okay, why I do like that, by the way. Let's make it easier. Why I really struggle with that. Let's take our item. Items, models, crates, ninja, for example. Oh, no, no, no. That's not here. Orientation. 3, like this one. Just for example, let's copy that. And let's try. Yeah, like so will be now. This will be, I think, color theory.new, white, just white. No, from RGB better. Okay, nice. This one, bevel, because I see some problems. Yeah, great. Okay, so now when we press the buy buttons, we need to connect this. I wanna make something else here. Wanna make something else. I wanna make for We wanna sorry guys, my neighbor decided to drill my wall. So let's copy this one, and let's place it in the viewer, of course. Like this one. Timer will be here, and discount will be here, I think. Okay. Alignment to left, I think, better. So discount and timer. Make it visible to false. Now let's connect all of that. So just buy here, not buy x1. So discount and timer. We need to connect discount. Let's make here's old price. Survivor creates config, for example, Ninja create price multiply by amount. Offer amount. Offer amount. And let's go to our, where is it? Viewer. Title name. Where is it? Wait. Your canvas group. Yeah, canvas group. Yeah, let's place it here, I think. Local elements. Your canvas group. Oh, wait. Report. No, that's not. Model window, canvas group. Oh, wait. Local elements report dot canvas group. elements, discount dot text equals to offer dot old price, like this one. Okay, and we need to make it visible, of course. True. Okay, it's too big, I think. Constraint, maybe. Really scaled. Looks really weird. Maybe decrease the size a little bit, like this. Maybe. Yeah, probably. Hi, hello, welcome. Okay, maybe we need just to show here as a percent. Better. So we have current price and all price, right? Or not, or maybe not. Yeah, maybe not. Okay, scaled. Text scaled. Size, like 40. Scale text and constraint also I wanna see here. Okay, it will be like so, at least for now. I'll be here in 2 minutes, guys. I'm back, my boys. So, okay, we need a timer here, of course. We need a timer. And we just take this timer from this one. So, from our domain. Like we made it here. Like this one. After all of that, template, parent, template destroy. Not template destroy, just clear, I think. Clear, of course. So let's get time make for that. Get time, utils, get time. Utils, this is like models. Hi bro, welcome. So modules we have. Rate price calculator also. How are you today? Great, bro. Great. Thank you. Maybe instead of calculating this here, we just call this function. Yeah, let's go. Here's do like so. Offer name, offer amount. Yeah. Create price calculator. Let's go. And get time. We do here. So template parent. Okay, let's delete that. We don't need it, I think. Do offer time. And elements timer text. Let's go. Let's check. Oh, we need to make it visible, of course. Need to make it visible. Elements timer. Attempt to perform impractical or nil. Yes, because we forget to make here is it time equals to properties. Okay, offer time. Right. Yeah, like so. Like this. When your games will be published? As soon as possible. As soon as possible. Hi, hello. No any deadlines, guys. No any deadlines. When it will be ready, bro? The one thing I can tell you. So after that, self-clear. So let's go. Let's see again what we have, if alright or not. Okay, okay, so timer works, all works. How many games did you make and publish? This is the second one only. This is the second one only. First one was Meme Tower Defense, but it's also abandoned. I didn't finish that. It's released, but Meme Tower Defense, but there is not a lot of content, so you can test it if you want. My school friend started playing GTA 5 at the age of 6 years old. Good bro, good bro. So, okay, let's see. Any errors? No problem. Okay, so we need to connect this with our yeah, we need to connect with Bind. So let's now go to the server script. This is all was visuals only. Now we need to connect this button. Best deals viewer. Best deals viewer, probably we need to initialize the buttons. Yeah. I'm making Mount City just like Emergency Hamburg. I don't know what this game is. Emergency Hamburg. I mean, realistic roleplay game. Oh, okay, I've got it. Good job, bro. Good job. When you release your game? So, best deal sphere. Let's go in our create sphere, for example. And yeah, we need to initialize here. We need to initialize here. Yeah, let's do like this. And after right after constructor we place all of that. Okay, let's remove that, all that. Mount City, my game is already published, but I will add things time to time. Okay, good job, bro, good job. So do you have some players already, or not? My school is opening soon. Okay, bro, so probably it's morning for you, right? Because for me it's almost 3 p.m. Okay, 2 p.m. yeah. UI animations. So we need to connect our button. We need only one button here. It will be viewer, buttons, and only one button. Self buttons. Best deals buttons. Okay. Buttons. Oh, okay. Where are you from, if you want to tell? I'm from Ukraine, bro. I'm from Ukraine. Object buttons, get children. Object is geo button. Okay. So buttons by creates button. Dot by activated. Let's go. Print one. I wanna see. Okay, it doesn't work for some reason. But your channel says USA. This is for promotion, bro, only. This is for promotion. So, wait, buttons. By creates buttons. By activated, right? Should be right. My origin is from other country, but I live in the United Kingdom. Oh, okay. I've got it, bro. I've got it. So you start the school at 12 or on 1 p.m. probably, or because this is pretty strange for me. Because when I was at school, we started at the morning. So that's it. Okay, buttons. Oh yeah, wait. Of course, I forget to initialize that. Self init. Yeah, nice, it works. So we need to connect local remotes. Open crate. Self-selected item. Self-selected item. Offer. Okay, offer. My school timings are 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, I also, when I started, we start at 8 a.m. So. So local remotes, go to local remotes. By crate. Self-selected item amount. Attempt to index nil with by crate. Self remote events. Probably I'm not initialize remote factory, right? Yes, probably right. Will you play with your subscribers one day? Of course, bro, of course. Yes. This game and other games we already played. I played Rivals with subscribers and some other horror games we played together on the live stream. Yeah, bro, of course. But now I focus on this project, so now I wanna do this one. Maybe a bit, probably a bit later will be this one. Yes, from time to time I think we play together. Of course, bro, of course. We'll try Emergency Hamburg. Emergency Hamburg is not my game. I don't know, bro. I don't know if this is live simulator. I played Brookhaven a little bit. This is something like that. Maybe, bro. I don't know. This is not my favorite type of games, to be honest. So I tried to play Brookhaven and some other games. It's roleplay game. This is not. I don't like roleplay games a lot. So it's open world roleplay game. Okay, I've got it. No, bro, I don't like roleplay games a lot. So maybe, yeah, maybe I'll try just to see what's that. But like play a lot of time, probably not, bro, because this is not my type. So expectation game, what's that? Expectation game. Create remotes. Where we create remotes? Yeah, game. Okay. Shop remote, factory, create remotes. Is that you have to go to the South Pole? I played some game like that about climbing or something like so. Yeah, I don't remember how it's called, but it was pretty good. Expedition Antarctica. Maybe, bro. I played some games like so, and I like so. The game name is Expedition Antarctica. Maybe, bro. I wanna see, by the way. Probably I placed this one. Oh, yeah, bro. Yeah, looks like this. Expedition, probably. Yeah, probably I play that. Or maybe not that. It was for a very long time ago. Maybe that's not... maybe I played... yeah, probably this one. Maybe they just updated, that's why I don't remember that, because I played for a very long time ago in this game. Yeah, that's pretty good. I tried, and if I'm not wrong, it's pretty good game for me. But like couple of times, not played every day. Because, if I'm not wrong, there's too long need to go, or something like so. So yeah. So, what's the problem with our events? Maybe that's not right, local remote. That's right. Time to index nil with bike rate. Inventory system. Okay, remotes. Oh, 2 remotes I created here. in the same folder, yeah. Let's remake this script a little bit. Remote factory. It should create the folders. Wait, script parent, right? Remote folder, remote folder parent, script parent. So it should create in shop system, right? Right. Script parent. But for some reason it creates not here. It creates in inventory system. Script remotes. Remotes folder. Very strangely, what the hell? Okay, let's see what we create here. I'm very interested. In services, inventory system, remotes. Okay, what about this? The same, so we just duplicate that for some reason. Duplicate that. Why we duplicate that? I don't know. So this one is not creating anything. Let's go to see game controller, I think. Because there is something probably here. The problem, I think. Game manager, and let's go here. Shop remotes, shop infrastructure rail, remote controllers, remote factory. So right. Create remotes, right? Services, inventory, infrastructure. Anyway, 2 remotes. And here's no any. Very strangely. So I don't call that, or what? Print 1. Remote factory. Maybe I'm not require that. I don't know. Shop remote factory requires shop infrastructure layer, right? System infrastructure, remote controllers, remote factory. Create remotes. Hi, hello, welcome. So just not call that for some reason. And I wanna see, okay, I wanna see this factory. inventory, infrastructure, local remotes. Okay, not local, remote factory. I wanna see that. For category remotes. Probably we call that twice. Print 2. Yeah, looks like so. Yeah, twice. We call that twice for some reason. Let's see where we call that again. Probably I know where we call that in our local script. Or maybe here. Let's check. Services, inventory, infrastructure. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. So we call that. We call the same. We call absolutely the same remote factory. That's the problem. Why we call it like that? I don't know. Let's check why we call it like that. Is that simulator? No, this is not simulator. This is hide and seek with random abilities for survivors each level. Here's pinned message in the chat. Here's 4 minutes video about this game. If you want, you can watch. So the problem, like, we initialize it twice. Oh wait, shop. Wait, shop remote factory, create remote, right? So we call this, right? Shop remotes, shop infrastructure layer, shop system infrastructure. What is shop system? Oh, what the hell? Of course. So that's the problem was here. Okay, nice. I found the problem. Shop service here. Nice. Okay, let's go. Time to index nil to buy crate services. Shop system infrastructure remote controllers. Buy crate. Time to index nil with buy crate. What the hell? Let's check. What happened? Solve remote events. Server. Okay, I wanna see. We initialize that. We initialize. I don't need a self here. What the hell? Absolutely. What is local remote by crate? This is shop system, right? Right. Print self remote events. I think I know. I think I know. Maybe we need this. No, we don't need it. By crate. Okay. Print self remote events. Let's see what we have. Nil. Okay. Get remotes, right? Right. We initialize that. Initialize. Shop server remotes. Mm-hmm. What is just self? I wanna see. Self remote events. Looks like I'm not initialized that. Yeah, definitely. Definitely. Local remotes. Not init. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Of course. Because we need to do it probably here. Yes. Here. Inventory local remotes. Here is shop. Like this maybe. Okay, better. We go deeper finally. So we can close this, we can okay, self game manager, player services. Wait, okay, I've got it. We need a self. Anyway, I forget. Because this is server remote. Yo bro, make a game too. Great bro, great. What a game is this? What game do you make? Shop, shop servers. Let's go to application layer. And here, okay, missing by just by, not by crate. Okay, and by crate we just copy from inventory, of course, because it should work like the same. By crate, shop service by crate, crate name amount, self data controller. What is data controller? Infrastructure layer. Okay, let's go. I make Death Run game like Garry's Mod Death Run. Oh, that's cool, bro. That's cool. So nice, my boys. Works. Let's check. Oh, we have a crate here. What the hell? We have a crate, my boys. Survivor crates. Ninja crate 1. Okay. But I bought not one. That's the problem. I bought not one. Let's fix that. Print one. Remote factor we don't need. Okay, self-selected item amount. I wanna see. Here is amount. Print self-selected item amount. 20. I should buy 20. But I bought nothing. Ninja crates. Oh, where's my money? What the hell? Yeah, let's wipe our data and start again. Maybe money is not enough, by the way. Oh yeah, all right. I'm I don't have enough money in here. Okay, nice. Finally, we can buy it. Let's go here. All works. Nice. Nice. But that's not all, of course, my boys. That's not all. We need to connect all of that so our player can buy it only once, each offer. Each offer only once. So, by crate, we do all of that. Let's go shop service probably. By crate. In here we need to check something. We need to check something definitely by using our domain, I think. Or not. Domain inventory. We don't use it at all? What? Really? So we need to connect, let's connect our coins with our viewer, by the way, first. Let's go. Because I want to see the current money. So now it doesn't connect, it's not connected, and that's a problem. Viewer controller, survivor viewer, probably in viewer controller, yeah? No, wait. I'm very bad at coding. I always take help from YouTube or ChatGPT. Bro, you just need some more experience. That's okay. That's okay. Just experience and dedication, bro. I also, when I started, I rewrite the code line by line from tutorials, bro. So just need some give you some time, bro. If you wanna learn that, you can learn that, definitely. But all depends, bro. Maybe you don't need to learn. This is absolutely different approach. Maybe you don't like the coding, because I like coding. Maybe for you this is not the best things what to do here, and maybe you don't need to focus a lot on that. So of course, not everyone will be professional in 1 month. Even probably in 1 year, it's pretty hard to be. So bro, don't worry. You do, this is the main, bro. You do steps. This is the main thing. Instead of just waiting something. So good job, good job. Where is my money? Currency, or what's that? I wanna see money. Okay, money.text we need. Money.text. No, wait. Set currency. This is tab controller controls that. Yeah, wait, why I do that in viewer? What the hell? I don't need to do that here. I need to do that in shop service. Tab controller. Set currency. Yeah, we have that. So where we need to set currency? In render items. Let's do it here, why not? In create deals, as data. Let's check. A print self-main frame get children. Self-main frame. Okay, self-main frame. Items frame. Money. What's the problem? Maybe I didn't call tab controller. Tab controller data player GUI. All should be right. It's one. Yeah, it's initialized. Initialized. Okay, what is print self? Yeah. Self GUI. Okay, self. I don't have main frame here. What? But that's it. What the hell? Oh wait. Of course, I've got it. I called the wrong one. For some reason, what the hell? I think I know what's the problem. Self. What's self here? What's up controller here? Script parent. Top controller. Okay, what if we do self GUI shop frame? I don't frame money, maybe like so. Okay, nice. What about this? Okay, right. I'll be here in 2 minutes, guys. So I'm back. 1 second, guys. So, my boys. Let's go. Continue. So. Okay, currency is work. Right? Here and here. So we need to make that like we can buy it only once. If we buy that, we can buy it again. Let's create like salt frame for our templates, of course. Let's go here. So let's create here a frame. Maybe inside the canvas group, I think. And size equals to 1, of course, my boys, equals to 1. This will be salt frame, color, background color black, transparency 0.5, and here we place big salt frame text label, size 1, text salt, font Freedoka 1, color white, transparency 1, size, font size like 16 or 100 even. Stroke, of course, UI stroke like 10. Okay, 5, maybe a red color. Let's color text color red, I think. Salt, yeah, like this. Proof, let's make a game. What do you mean, bro? I'm making a game. Salt frame. Maybe transparency. Like this. Yeah, nice. So we just need to make it visible when we salt. Let's copy that and paste it also in small template. Let's visible to false. Salt frame. Where you making your art? In Photoshop. In Photoshop all, bro. Size, text size like 50, I think. Yeah, like this one. Of course, I forget to add scale text constraint. Visible to false. It's also visible to false. Big template, salt frame, scale text. So let's go. When we need to make it salt, how we can make that? We need to call back that. We need to call back if alright. So maybe it won't be. Maybe not local remotes will be this one. Maybe instead of local remotes we need to make here remote function. By special. By special. Let's go. And we need to go to our local remotes. By special. Self remote functions. Hey Profan, what's up? I'm making a horror game inspired by Roblox myth called Rust. It's almost done. Great, bro. Great. Good job. Invoke server. Remote function by special. If I'm not wrong, like so. Create name amount. Return. I see learn factory pattern which you apply in remote factory. Great. Yeah, bro. Yeah. Yes. Thank you. So self remote functions. Local remotes by special. By special, we need to call it here. Local success. If success. It's better than all of my games because it looks so much better and it's my best project yet. But gameplay is small for now. I'm looking forward to make more jump scares because this is horror game. Good job, bro. Good job, bro. That's cool. So when it'll be done, share a link in your creations. I'm very interested to see, bro. You're exploring now design patterns. Like remote factory, this is also design patterns, or what do you mean? Okay, so let's go here. Log. Let's go to server remotes. Remote function. Remotes by special. Player create name amount here. Shop by crate. Let's go shop service by crate. No, by special. First. No, just by special. Yeah, that's a design pattern. The factory pattern, which you have centralized script for a model that you can organize your object for creating dependencies, injecting configuration, etc. Okay, thank you for explanation, bro. Cool, yeah. By special, create name amount. Just deal, what a player, what the hell. So by special, okay, let's wait. We need shop by special. Amount we don't need. By special, let's go here. Check special deal. Check special. If else. So if not, return. Wait, no. Let's go now domain and see this deal. Okay, not this. Domain shop. Check special. Player deal. Okay, no, we need a player here. Just to store ID here. So by special. Player. Okay, player deal just. You can also add a return keyword for extra guard classes after you error guard, so the logic below would not run even though you add error guard, but you also add a return. Okay, I've got it. I've got it. So player deal. Here we need to send self-selected item, maybe. That's it. So I wanna see what is selected item here. Print deal. Okay, nice. So deal. By special player deal. Check special. Domain shop. Deal. 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 Okay. ID. Deal ID. Wait. Yeah. Deal ID. Like this. So if right, false. If not, true. So if this, maybe like so. Do you know there's a game engine that the same as used Lua in Roblox official API? It's called Librebox in GitHub. It's demo and early stages. No, never heard about that. Game you make with in that, since it's open source, it's yours, full ownership. Oh, that's cool, bro. That's cool. No, never heard about that. It's full-fledged game engine like Unity and Unreal. Oh, okay. Cool, bro. Cool. Mm. But uses Lua and Roblox API. Okay. Cool, bro, cool. No, never heard about that. Prints, but still ID. They different, I hope. What? Okay, probably I sent something wrong. Self-selected item, where is it? Offer, what is offer? Create config. Offer ID, yeah, like so. Not owned by Roblox. Yeah, I heard like it like this Lua used not only in Roblox. Like mods for some games I heard made by using Lua and so on. So okay, deal ID, right? But we need to store it somewhere. Create that data store for server. Yeah, let's go here. Server in Roblox Studio. So what we need to store here? That's Lua. Lua is extended language of Lua. Yeah, I heard Lua is this is for Roblox only, I think, or not? And Roblox engine use the Lua virtual machine to make the studio. Oh, okay. I've got it, bro. How's the progress? Good, bro, good. Hi, hello. So, okay, let's go. Make saver for data. For our server. Where we can place that? Hi, hello, welcome. Because what's the problem now, maybe you ask? The problem now, deals purchased clear after all, after each, when I start a new game, always. I need to store in the data store. What's the game about? This is like hide and seek, but with random abilities for survivors each level. Here is a 4 minutes video in a pinned message in the chat. If you want, you can watch. WoW is specific to Roblox only. Okay, yeah, I also heard like so, but maybe I thought it used somewhere else. I don't know. Keep it up the work. Thank you, bro. Thank you very much, bro. Okay. Data stores are so complicated. Yeah, bro, but you can use prepared modules for that and don't care about that a lot. So, okay, let's just create a script somewhere, for example here, and let's put it here. Basement, yeah. Yes, bro, definitely. What is default data? Okay, what is data we need? We need okay, let's store, for example, okay, total player joined. And the main part we need to take deals purchased. Deals purchased. This is empty table. Here we store wait, how it works? RobloxStudio table clear. Table clear. That's the value for allocated within. Okay. Let's put it in module script better. Server data. And let's call that server data. Function server data load server data save. No, it should be the same for everything. The default data services, okay. So like this. So we just can call that somewhere, right? I hope. No, let's place it here. Can we get access to server data? So what we need to do here? We need to get access here. Server script service and server data. Require server script service server data. I'm not sure that we have access to that. Server data lot. Save current data. I am absolutely not sure that it works. Let's go. So current data. And we place this probably in not here, in our data controller instead of this. Just we test it right here. Okay, so current data. Like so maybe. Let's try. I'm absolutely not sure it works, but let's go. So true, okay. Let's start again. Can I try to buy that? Wait, so always true? Player user ID equals to true. Return false. Should return false. Real. Oh wait, okay. Let's go again. For example, I want to buy this one. True. True again. True again. Oh wait, current data, local data, current data dot bills purchased. Let's do like so, and let's go. Wait, what the hell? To wipe this data. Let's try again. No. Oh wait, probably I know what's the problem. Server 1. Oh yeah, I know. Server data just here. Oh wait, what the hell? Like this, but here is server data. Okay. Okay. So let's go here. True. Wait, what the hell? I wanna see the data of that. Server data. Print data. What is data here? uh, why no data found? Rigged basement. Yeah, bro. Yeah. Okay. This is not saving. Problem. So wait, I don't save the data. Yeah, of course. I forget to save that. I think, what's the problem? Because I'm not saving the data, what the hell? Element 2 missing. also oh yeah, of course. I need to send the data here, current data, like this. One second. Defaults. So I want to buy this again. True. Okay. I have a question for you though, Profan. How will you keep bad actors from running script and starting a black market in your game? As many top games are suffering from this. How will you keep bad actors from running scripts and starting... I don't know, bro. I don't understand what we're talking about. What is bad actors and black market? You mean like we'll keep like exploiters, bad actors, and starting black market in your game? Probably I didn't get your question, bro. Okay, so true. Okay, so exploiters. Bro, this is hard question. I never faced exploiters before because this is only my second project. First one was tower defense, and there's I didn't finish that game. But just of course I'll make some protection. All never trust the client, of course, and of course I'll make some anti-cheat, like I don't know, maybe if players have too high speed, or maybe if players fly a lot or something. So like this. Many exploiters will run 20-30 accounts to earn items and resell them for real world money. I don't know, bro. I never faced steal with that, but I know this happens. I know that, bro. I saw that, like people do that. I don't know, bro. I don't know how to. Now I don't have a trade. Later will be a trade definitely, and when I have a trade, that will be a problem with that probably. So of course now when the game will be released, I don't have trading, so at the beginning I don't care about that, but later of course I need some things to protect that. So and all depends, bro, all depends on how you get these items, for example, because if you just stay in this game or and do nothing, you probably get nothing, because I wanna, for example, give to player coins only for actions, not just you're staying or walking, for actions like when you play, when you really play, like deal damage, like get XP and so on inside the game. So I don't know, bro. I don't know. This is hard question because I'm not facing that right now. When I face that, probably I can answer your question. So, but I think this is the way, like to not allow the players AFK farm. Just there is not that thing. So I think this helps. And also very important thing, I thought about some players maybe make not like cheating matches, like so, like they with friends just join the game and start greening. But I also have a system probably how to make it better to avoid this, but I'm not sure, of course, because I never faced that. So I understand if you do not know how to deal with it, just figures I'd ask. What is your game called? I'd like to support creators that care about their games. This game called Live Light. This is like hide and seek, but with random abilities for survivors each level. with procedural generated maps, and it's in development now. There is a 4 minutes video in a pinned message in the chat. If you want, you can watch a video about this game. So so yeah, bro, this is really hard question, and when I have this live light, yeah, together. It's not out, it's not released, it's in development. Yeah, live light, but together, like one word. Like this is opposite to deadlight, like so. So that's it, bro. Pretty hard question, really, because I never faced exploiters still. Because not a lot of players play my first game. This is my second game only. So of course I'll try to do my best to avoid all of that, because I'm interested about that, because I wanna like make the game fair for all players, of course. So no worries, I will keep live light in the back of my mind and keeping an eye out. Okay, bro. Okay, thank you. So I did too. Okay, let's go again. Oh, I need to see. Yeah, I need to see response, of course. True. And I wanna buy it again? True. It shouldn't be true. What the hell? What the hell? Okay, maybe I forget to do something here. Let's check. Data player. Okay, domain shop. Let's check here. What's the data? Data. This is current data deal purchased. We go here. Check player user ID. That's it. Equals to this one or empty table. Data player user ID or empty table. If we have that, user ID, looks like it always uploads the new data. What the hell? Okay, what if we not save? Let's check. No, it stores that. Stores ID 2, right? Right. But why it allows me to buy that again? I'm interested, really. Okay, data. Player user ID. So player user ID equals to true. That's it. What are we making? This is like this is game like hide and seek, but with random abilities for survivors each level. Here's a pinned message in the chat. Here's 4 minutes video about this game. But in general, hide and seek with random abilities for survivors with procedural generated maps. Maybe because I make a variable here, I don't know. Let's change that. maybe like so. True. True. Why true always? What the hell? What this? Let's buy this. Anyway, it's for some reason data is not proper. Server data saved successfully, right? Are you working with data stores? No, I'm working with profile store. Data stores, this is just for server data, like, and that's it. For players, I work with profile store. This is more, this is better, but this is just to save server data. Server data stores set as sync server key data, right? Maybe not proper data we have here. Okay, let's think again. Current data, right? We have current data. Current data, we upload that, and we have current data. Data. If data player user ID. I wanna see that. Print player data user ID. Hey Profound, sorry I did not respond to your question. I was buying groceries for my mom. No problem, bro. We don't need that. Nil. So, to answer your question, I'm grateful for you being interested for my horror game. It probably will be done in a few hours. Oh, really? So fast, bro? But I will put in creations channel after I'm done with my game. Okay, bro. Okay, I'll check it. I'll check it later. Profound, what is this weird question thing when I try to join the Discord? It says welcome to the server and has option for an answer but no question. Bro, this is just required by Roblox. This thing just required to ask that something, so you can respond anything, bro. This is just because Roblox required that. Until there's 1000 members, I should do like so, or use bots, but I don't want to use bots, so I decided to just use default things. So my boys, so I don't know, pretty hard for me today. I don't know, maybe just continue tomorrow, my boys. When works is not working, just needs some rest and continue next day. So this is always works for me. So guys, anyway, thank you all who was on the stream. Thank you all who helped. Thank you all who watched. What is the problem? The problem, data store is not storing. I don't know. That's not a big deal. So this is something simple. But usually, guys, when I struggle like couple of hours with some simple tasks, and usually I struggle like couple of hours, and next day I solve it in 5 minutes. This is always like so. Really, sometimes we need rest to digest information and so on. It's work, and I highly recommend to you guys to try this if you're stuck on some tasks. This is usually happens not with difficult tasks. This is usually like why I can't change the size of the frame, why I can't parent my part, or something really simple which I did like 1000 times already, and it's for some reason doesn't work, and the next day I solve it in 5 minutes. So guys, really, you also need rest sometimes if you're stuck on some tasks. So get some rest and have a good night. Thank you very much, my friend. Can cause errors with fatigue, can cause errors with small tasks. Best to get a reset and start back in the morning. Absolutely agree, bro. Absolutely agree. So my boys, thank you all who helped, thank you all who watched, and we'll see tomorrow, my boys. Bye bye.